Information about Aesculus turbinata. Aesculus turbinata, also known as Japanese horse chestnut, is a species of deciduous tree native to Japan. It belongs to the family Sapindaceae and can grow up to 25 meters tall with a trunk diameter of up to 1 meter. The leaves of Aesculus turbinata are opposite, palmately compound, and can have 5 to 7 leaflets that are serrated along the edges. The tree produces large, showy, white to pale pink flowers in the spring that are arranged in upright panicles. The fruit is a spiny capsule that contains 1 to 3 large, shiny brown seeds, which are commonly called conkers. Aesculus turbinata is commonly used as an ornamental tree in parks and gardens due to its attractive foliage and showy flowers. The seeds of the tree have been used in traditional medicine in Japan to treat various ailments, including hemorrhoids and joint pain. However, it is important to note that the seeds, leaves, and bark of the tree contain a toxic compound called esculin, which can cause vomiting, diarrhea, and convulsions if ingested in large quantities. Therefore, it is important to handle the tree and its parts with caution.